Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Good day guys, this is Randee Gabriel and I'm here to report my 10 chosen topics about computers. First, what is computer? Computers are all around us, from laptop computers to smartphones to smartwatches. They are changing the way that we live our lives, and it somehow makes our tasks easier. But have you ever asked yourself, what exactly is a computer? A computer is an electronic device that manipulates information or data. The computer sees data as ones and zeros, but it knows how to combine them into much more complex things such as a photo, movie, website, game, and much more. Computers use a combination of hardware and software. Next, history of computing. The history of computing is a long one, dating back to the early days of counting with stones or bones. It progressed through the use of simple mechanical devices such as the abacus to more complex electrical ones such as the difference engine, and eventually to the modern computers we use today.
Abacus is an ancient tool used for a calculation. It consists of frame with rods on which beads are strung. The beads are moved to perform arithmetic operation. Abacus is still used in some parts of the world, especially in Asia.
Next, what are the uses of computers? Computers are used for a wide range of applications, including data processing, word processing, spreadsheets, databases, desktop, publishing, and multimedia. A computer is a machine that can be used to input information, store information, and output information. Next, what is software? Software is a collection of data or computers instructions that tell the computers how to work. This can be a program which performs a specific task, or a system which is a group of related programs that work together to perform a range of tasks, or simply those that can't be touched physically. Some examples of computers software include Microsoft, Windows, Apple, MacOS, Adobe, Photoshop, and Mozilla Firefox. Next, what is hardware? Hardware is the physical equipment that makes up a computer system, including the central processing unit or CPU, memory storage input or output devices, or in short, those that can be touched physically. The computer hardware's examples are the central processing unit, CPU, the random access memory or RAM, and the read-only memory.
Software and hardware are very different from each other, but they also need one another in order to function. To better understand the difference, look at your phone. The hardware would be the physical phone itself, and the software would be its operating system at its apps. If we don't have software, then the phone won't function as intended, since it will just be a dead phone. But if we don't have the phone itself or the hardware and only programs, which are the software, then there are just interaction but no one will act it. Therefore, hardware needs the software to tell it what to do, but software need hardware also to act out in instruction.
Fun facts. Did you know
The first virus creeper. The first computer virus ever appeared in 1971. When it successfully infects a computer, it replicates and consumes the memory until there is not enough memory left for the computer to function. Number 2. The very first computer weighed more than 27 tons. Electronic, numerical integrator, and computers. The first digital and programmable computer. Next, the first mouse was constructed of wood. In 1964, Dode Engelbart created the first computer mouse, which include a wooden frame, 2 rulers, and button on top. And we are back again.
Next are the input and outputs device. Input device is a piece of hardware used to provide data and control signals to an information processing system, such as a computer.
Input devices are devices that allow you to input information into a computer. Input devices are essential for interacting with a computer. Without input devices, it would be very difficult to use a computer.
While output devices are used to deliver the result of the system processing.
An output device is any piece of computer's hardware equipment which converts information into human readable form. Output devices are often peripheral devices connected to a computer by either a wired or wireless connection.
Example of input device include the keyboard and mouse, when output device includes the monitor and printer. Next, what is a storage devices? Storage devices is any hardware device that stores data on a common computer. Common storage devices include hard drives, solid-state drives, optical drives, and flash drives. Next, what is a system software? A system software is a computer program that manages and controls the hardware and other software on a computer.
If we compare system software to a car, the car's engine would be the system software. System software is responsible for managing a computer's resources, such as memory, processor, and devices. It also provides a platform for running application programs. System software is typically bundled with operating system. Common example of system software include Microsoft Windows, MacOS, and Linux.
Next, what is computer programs? A computer programs is a set of instructions written in a computer language that tells a computer what to do.
They are written in a specific language that the computer can understand. Programs can be small, like a single line of code, or large, like a video game or an operating system. Most programs are written by professional programmers, but anyone can learn to write a program. Common example of computers program include web browsers, word processor, and spreadsheets.
fun facts? Did you know
The initial 1 gig hard disk was as heavy as a refrigerator. The first hard disk to exceed 1 gig was introduced by IBM in 1980. The IBM 3380 had a 2.5 gig storage capacity, which accounts for its massive cabinet, which was almost the size of a refrigerator. Next, Firefox isn't a fax at all. The Mozilla Firefox program was established in 2004. This supposed Firefox is actually as an Asian red panda, a threatened species. Next, phones are computers. Every day, we use computers without even realizing it. Computers come in many forms and go by many names.